Today on For Your Influence, we have a showdown between two titans of flavor, Nando's and Pedro's chicken. If you're like me, then you know that there's a competition going on between these two. If you didn't know, now you know. So get ready for a food review packed with taste tests, a spicy comparison, and the ultimate verdict on which chicken joint will reign supreme. So, the first joint we'll be checking out is Pedro's chicken. Let's go. Just arrived at Pedro's. It's quite full. Don't think we'll be able to sit down, but first impression, not really getting that chicken smell, you know? It's not really inviting me in. But let me go order some chicken, get some wings. Let's check out what Pedro's got in store for us.
It was very busy when I arrived. I didn't think I would get a table to film at. I decided to wait for about 20 minutes. Luckily, I got a table. I ordered some wings and a quarter chicken, and I have to say, the service at Pedro's chicken was really dope, man.
Let me start with the wing. Let's taste those. Now, if you see me eating with my hands, don't be alarmed. We're in South Africa. We eat with our hands. Now, before I bite into this wing, let's rewind. Let me tell you a little about Pedro's chicken and its history.
In 2018, Pedro's chicken opened its first fast food restaurant. Today, there's over 140 Pedro's stores nationwide. Pedro's chicken Portuguese-inspired flavors has expanded across the country, becoming a popular choice for South Africans craving delicious, affordable chicken dishes. The chain's success is attributed to its commitment to quality ingredients, flavorful marinades, and its consistent service. Pedro's makes it clear, premium quality does not have to come at a hefty price tag, and that's what sets them apart. Pedro's chicken did this in just 6 years. That's crazy. Let's find out if they can deliver on their promise. Affordable chicken, unbeatable prices. Now let's taste some Pedro's.
Right, now that that's done, let's taste this chicken wing. Spicy. It's not too spicy though. Like when I taste the sauce, it tastes vinegary. You can taste some vinegar. Definitely chili. I don't know if this is the bird's eye chili, but as you can see, look at the consistency of the sauce. Beautiful consistency, but it is quite spicy though. If you don't like spice, don't order the peri-peri, rather go for a mild. Let's taste these fries. The fries doesn't really taste fresh, like it's not like freshly made, it wasn't fried like. Yeah, it's quite soggy, a little bit oily. The seasoning is not too, yeah, it's not very well seasoned. It's not the best. Yeah. And as I'm chewing, I'm biting through some uncooked potato. Like, it's very crunchy. There's some uncooked pieces. Yeah. The chicken's good though. And there you have the quarter leg chicken. Ooh. The sauces are very vinegary, like it's very overpowering. I don't know if this is like vinegar-based sauces, like I'm salivating. It's a lot of vinegar, but the roll is quite good. I'm not impressed with the chips. The wings is good. The sauces are super vinegary. The sauce should be balanced, like it shouldn't overpower. It should have, obviously it should have a little bit of acidity. It should have some sweetness, the spiciness and whatever flavor they're putting into it. Here, it's a bit unbalanced, like the vinegar is a bit too much, or vinegar and lemon, whatever it is they're using. I don't know if that's what they're going for. If that's what they're going for, then yeah, they hit the mark on that. Yeah, overall, good roll. Yeah, that's Pedro's chicken. Lovely stuff, man. Let me hit that wing before we leave. We finish this one off. Now, when you eat the wing, you wanna grab both like that, you know? That's how you kill a wing. Now, going to cleanse my palate. And I'll see you at Nando's. Right, just arrived at Nando's. Pedro's did open a spot over there, like a minute's walk from Nando's. Let's go check out what Nando's have to offer. Follow me.
Pedro's chicken was busier and a lot more smaller than Nando's. From the moment I stepped through the door, it was clear that Nando's takes hospitality seriously. The staff were not only attentive but also genuinely enthusiastic overall. Both establishments, the service is really good. I ordered a quarter leg at Nando's, Peri has 6 wings, lemon and herb. The food arrived in about 15 minutes. At Pedro's it took about 25 minutes. The plate the wings arrive in can be a bit smaller though. Speaking of wings, Nando's sells 3 wings cut into 6 as 6 wings. Nando's is finessing us. Otherwise,
food just arrived. Looks really good. Yeah. Here's the roll. Let's check out this roll, man. You do get some butter. Let me try it with the butter. It doesn't taste the freshest, but yeah. So it's okay. Maybe it would taste better, or maybe it would taste better if it was warmed up a little bit. It's quite cold. Good roll. We've got the wings. I got lemon and herb. Then I got a peri chicken that comes with peri fries. Let's try the fries. Looks delicious. Crispy. I don't know if you can hear that. Crispy. Fresh. Spice is really good. Now before I taste this beautiful chicken wing, let's dive into the history of Nando's.
Here's 3 things about Nando's. They're famous for their Portuguese-style flame-grilled chicken. They operate in 30 countries globally. They're renowned for their cheeky marketing campaigns and social impact initiatives. Nando's started in Johannesburg, South Africa in 1987. It was founded by Fernando Duarte and Robert Brozen, who bought a Portuguese-style restaurant called Chicken Land and renamed it Nando's. The chain expanded internationally, becoming famous for its flame-grilled peri chicken. Today, Nando's is known for its casual dining atmosphere and unique flavors. Nando's isn't just a joint we casually eat at today. Nah, Nando's is cultural. Now, with that said, let's taste some Nando's.
Let's taste. Look at this. As you can see, most people would think this is raw. It's not raw. It's very well cooked. And I can taste that smokiness. Kissed by fire. Oh, man, I wish you could taste this. It's so smoky. It's flavorful. The sauce is not over. The most important thing, the sauce seems to be here just to kind of help the wing. So it's not overpowering it. I can barely taste this. All I taste here is like that smokiness from the grill. It's well seasoned, it's well cooked, tastes fresh. Man, this is good. It's a good wing. When you look at that. Look at that char. Kissed by fire. It has that braai thing that we love as South Africans. Nando's. lemon and herb wings. Let's taste this Peri. Oh, look there, it's just falling off. So, it's how tender this chicken is. This is the peri peri, quarter leg, as you can see. Look at that. Now let's see if it has the same smokiness that I told you. If you see me eating with my hands, this is what we do in South Africa. Chicken. You're bound to get a little messy when you eat with your hands. I will say this. The peri peri doesn't have the same heat that the Pedro's chicken has. So the Pedro's one has a little bit more heat. This peri peri is it's more towards a mild. Like I remember the Pedro's one hit me at the back of the throat. This one doesn't really pack that punch. But overall it's a good chicken. This wings is incredible. Whoever did this outdid themselves today. The chips is beautiful. The quarter leg, not too impressed with, but overall, yeah, it's good. It's really good. Now, here we have the wild herb sauce. I think we should definitely try this wild herb sauce. Right? And then let's also try the hot sauce. Let me try the hot first, the hot sauce. Yeah, it's not as vinegary as the Pedro sauces. Like it's quite a well-balanced sauce, but it does have a lot of heat to it. Taste the garlic, vinegar, lemon, that chili, that bird's eye chili Nandos is known for. Definitely, it's in the sauce. It's in the hot sauce. I can taste that chili. Beautiful sauce. If you love hot stuff, get this one. Get this sauce. Now this is the wild herb sauce, which is this one. And then try it with a piece of chicken. Again, too acidic for me. Maybe not for some people that love a lot of acid, but too acidic for me. Flavor is great, but like it's so acidic that you don't get to taste anything else. It just overpowers anything it touches. You know, it's not kind. It's not a kind sauce to other ingredients. I wish it could be less acidic, the wild herb one, but if that's what they're going for and it works, yeah, overall, great. And in the quarter leg, you can also taste that smokiness. Smokiness is there, but not so much as the wings. As you can see, the wings are charred beautifully. And then when you look at the quarter, it's more like the drumstick, but it kind of dried it out a little bit. And then obviously, as you can see there, it just gave it grill marks, but it didn't give it that smokiness we love so much. But overall, Nandos is great. It was good. Just finished at Nandos. The ultimate verdict that I promised. Pedro's chicken, in terms of price-wise affordability, yeah, I'll give it to them. They're more affordable, and I get why a lot of people go there. A lot of people do say that Pedro's is better than Nandos, and I have to disagree. Ambiance at Nandos, staff, the service, it's equally good when you compare it to Pedro's service, though they're both good in terms of service, but Nandos they just give you a little bit more, you know what I mean? And I get it though, price-wise you do pay more at Nandos, but yeah, in terms of flavor, the balance of the flavors of the sauces at Nandos, beautiful, chef's kiss. The way they cook the wings, man, The 𝗂𝗬𝗀 chicken, I wasn't too impressed with it, but it still tastes good. Yeah, overall, I think Nandos, for me, Nandos beats Pedro's. But Pedro's is not bad. I'm not saying it's bad. But if they are going to, if they want to live up or be at the same level as Nandos, Pedro's chicken has a long way to go. So that's it for me. Stick around, subscribe, and yeah, catch you on the flip side. Remember, it's not beef, it's chicken.